Hey everybody, vegan pancakes, 2 ways today on the Living Lavishly Vegan channel. I'm Starr and I thank you so much for clicking on my channel today. In this video, I'm gonna do pancakes, one version of chocolate, cinnamon, strawberry, walnut, all the things, and then the second version is gonna be a nice fluffy blueberry jam that I created on my stovetop. And these ingredients are very simple, dairy free, egg free, and I show you a substitute. So I hope you all enjoy this creation and stay tuned to see me create these meals. Okay, so I'm starting off with Bisquick, and this is a pancake and baking mix. And if you read the description on the back, it tells you to add eggs and it tells you to add oil and milk and a whole bunch of other things. But I decided to just use the flour and my own flax meal, which is a consistency of egg. Once you combine with the milk, it just makes it nice and fluffy. And then I like to use some cane sugar just to add some sweetness to it, cinnamon. And here is the winner of the pancake, some cacao powder. You go in with a scoop of cacao powder. It's very nutrient dense and it gives it that nice chocolate flavor. And I just love this brand too. It's just amazing. Like, it doesn't taste too bitter or too tart, anything like that. I use 2 tablespoons, blended with some soy milk. And that's all for the ingredients of the pancake. And soy milk is a nice plant-based alternative to dairy milk, and it still gives it that nice thickness that we need to have a good pancake. I like to also use earth balanced butter to let the pan simmer, and I like crunchiness around my pancakes and that bubbly feel. Oh yes, do you see it? It's going to be nice and crisp, and it's going to have that nice buttermilk taste. You let it dry out a little bit on the sides, and then you give it a nice flip, and you just continue all the way through to make the rest of your pancakes. I'm adding strawberries on mine, so I'm just slicing up a few strawberries before I plate it up into a nice concoction. And then I'm gonna add some maple syrup. I don't know about you guys, but when I'm hungry, I'm hungry. So I decided to have 4 pancakes with maple syrup, and I like to get it nice and drenched all throughout. So you'll see I'm tossing and flipping and turning them over just to make sure they're nicely coated. Oh, it looks so good. It was amazing, you guys. Then add the strawberries on and some chopped walnut. Very quick, simple, and easy. Next up is the blueberry jam pancake. So once again, using the Bisquick, just add the flour mix into your bowl. This time I use chia seeds. The chia seeds has a lot of fiber, a lot of omega-3s and vitamin K and B and D and C. All the things you can think of is good for digestion, and it's also good for that thickening of the pancake. And then cane sugar and cinnamon in this one, and that was it. I added the milk and I mixed it all together. So there's different ways you can play around with making a pancake mix to see what type of consistency you like. And I like chia seeds, and it doesn't have a taste to it, and it's very good for the body. So I tend to just throw in chia seeds in almost everything that I'm making, just so I'm making sure that I'm having a well-balanced diet. Look how fluffy that is, you guys. Just look at it. Bam! Oh my god, it's so good. So good. If you like pancakes, give this video a thumbs up. Share it with your friends. There go the maple syrup. And I just make the blueberry jam on the stove. I added some water to it and a little bit of flour to let it thicken. No sweeteners added, and I just topped it off. And oh my god, it was just so good. Every bite, oh, so good, so good.